You were so focused on buying tickets that I thought you were bidding on a precious artifact, kitten. You're right. I don't understand. Why are we going to a theater when I have one at home? Uh-huh. Keep going out with me like this, and I'm sure I'll adjust.
He won't be able to see anything.
You said these were the perfect seats, kitten. The 2-hour movie is about to start. Just focus on that. I'm already invested. You can leave if you want, but I'm staying. Now you can go on your business trip without any regrets. Judging by what I saw, you were more captivated by the movie's spring backdrops than the ending. I'm an honest audience member. I look at whatever catches my interest. Are you worried about me?
Welcome. You're using Soft's full body massage chair. Please select the duration of your session.
Are you serious?
Please close your eyes and relax as you enjoy your 20-minute full body massage.
Only someone with a death wish would close their eyes for 20 minutes in one of the N109 zone's public facilities.
Hello. One bucket of butter popcorn, please.
Please line up here to collect your limited edition poster for the Vanishing Kingdom.
So much for your peaceful income. It's noisy here. Is it amusing to see me in such an ordinary place? I see. Well, since you're the expert here, what do ordinary people do in spring? Then, let's go on a spring outing together after your mission is over. It'll be the most ordinary one.
I'll go over the intel one more time. We've identified criminals who are using Wanderers for their deadly hunting games. They're offering large amounts of money to recruit contestants from around the world, while also inviting wealthy VIPs to watch the games and place bets. The organizers are cunning. They've managed to evade us multiple times. You will join the game as a contestant and identify the people behind this.
Wanderer suddenly disappeared. This is strange. Investigate the cause immediately. Wait! You! Over there! Contestant ran into the corridor. Do we have them on camera?
Second stairway on your right. Go up. Your mission isn't over yet, kitten. Why are you looking for an exit? This isn't like you. Come here. For us to meet again so soon, it must be fate. Being in dangerous situations is just another day for me. I have no interest in underhanded schemes. I'm here for something else. Since you're here, it's no longer the most interesting thing in the room. If you want to leave safely, I'm here to help whenever you need. Words alone probably won't convince you. Should I prove my sincerity by dealing with everyone here? You're looking for someone? There's an easy way to find them. Play along, kitten. Struggle. You took your sweet time. Why didn't you wait a little longer so your guest could become her hostage?
All of us have been looking for her. I'll take her away right now.
That's it? I see a guest's safety means nothing to you. Boss, tell him to come see me.
I'm afraid I can't just...
Then I'll visit him myself. If he still wants me to place my bets on this game, that is.
My boss says he'll apologize to you in person. Please, follow me. However... Can I take her into custody?
I have a new proposition. Her skills are too good for a regular contestant. She's probably an undercover spy. I want to place my bet on her for the next round. Shh. Be a good girl and stay quiet. As for what I'm willing to pay, I'll discuss that with your boss. She's coming with me, by the way. I assure you the amount will be to his satisfaction.
He'll see you downstairs, sir.
Mr. R, I'm sorry we met under these circumstances. This was an unfortunate accident.
Indeed. What an accident to have on my first visit. Am I fortunate, or are these accidents a frequent occurrence?
This is the first and last time. A new wanderer has been prepared. You'll be able to enjoy the game again very soon. We have plenty of ways to keep her trapped in the castle. How much would you like to wager on her? $5 million?
Goodbye. Forever. I suggest you comply. I can vouch for her. Does this clear my name now, Miss Hunter?
My men are outside. If you dare.
We really are becoming more alike. You know me so well, kitten. But this isn't exactly the best time for a chat. Our time together is fun yet brief. However, working with you never fails to put me in a good mood. Maybe we should find another opportunity to cooperate. It'd be even better if it lasted longer. Sounds like you can't wait. Really? Is this all part of the protocol? Or are you secretly showing you trust me? Since your trust is precious, I won't let you down. I usually prefer a simpler approach, though. Happy hunting, Miss Hunter.
The mission went more smoothly than expected. It was executed brilliantly.
Captain Jenna, the castle inspection is complete. We found some protocors in the hidden chamber, and they've been confiscated.
Good work, everyone. Let's return to Lincoln.
Rich people bet money to watch this kind of game for a cheap thrill? How twisted can they get? Really? Captain Jenna said this castle had just been sold to someone. A new buyer, supposedly. I wonder what the anonymous buyer plans to do with this place. Because of its location, it's inconvenient as a tourist spot. It'd be a good place to hide treasures, though.
When I'm eager about something, I prefer to take action rather than talk about it. Enjoying the spring scenery here is faster than returning to Lincoln. The Hunters Association is quick when gathering intel. I thought you were done with your mission. I wonder, what could that possibly be? The night is still young. It's perfect for a clever hunter to unravel this mystery. I'll have someone clean up the traces of those games in the castle later. So, you'll have to make do with the accommodations for tonight. There's only one armchair. Are you giving me a comfortable seat to observe your reading session? You're very creative when you find new ways to use me, kitten. How's your human chair? Comfy? I'll do my best. I just remembered this was a nice spot for flower viewing. I didn't think wanderers would be here. In any case, I don't want any dangerous events happening during our spring outing. It wouldn't be ordinary otherwise. Fortunately, our righteous hunters descended from above. They took care of that problem before I even had a chance to lift a finger. I just put in the effort to plan a spring excursion with you. You can call it dedication. You're one step away from solving this mystery, kitten. And you'll take that step tomorrow. If this is the only dirt anyone has on me, it better be worth looking at multiple times. Besides, anyone who sees these photos should be able to tell that the other person in them is my accomplice. kitten. You have more than enough pictures of me on your phone. Don't you think it's time we get some of you? Keep going, don't mind me. Should we add more photos of us together to the album then, since you approve of my photography skills? You don't seem to believe what's written in it. Myths aren't made from nothing. Let's just say we entered another world when we walked through that mist. And if we want to be more specific, it's a world with dragons. This place won't reveal itself to most people anyway. Only those who know the riddle can find its answer. But the book didn't explain why the flowers blossom. You one step away from finding the answer. This is the perfect place for dragon tales. Dragons make homes in flower-covered valleys. If a dragon knows it will die soon, it flies to a valley far from its kin and waits alone. In the dragon's final moments, flowers will bloom from its body. Only when the flowers cover every bone does the dragon pass away. You've been secretly recording a video this whole time, haven't you? Will you watch it before bed? This video won't be worth watching if you just film us walking. You're getting better at bossing me around, as I wished. Ridiculous. Between you and me, who's the real villain here? Bossing around the leader of Honor Kindness isn't exactly blackmail. We're partners in crime. Well, did you get your fill? If not, I can give you more. Will you watch the video every night before bed? The flower petals have carried you into this dragon's dreams. If every petal could receive this kind of reward. Then this dragon will wait every night, longing for the wind and petals to arrive. You don't want to leave? We're not dreaming. Even when we wake up, this place will still be here. I'll take you to all of them, if you want. Yet you always seem to adapt well. How would you describe a world that belongs to Sylus? I'm not the only one discovering new worlds. Your world is lively, peaceful, and warm. Even the grandest matters can be 2 movie tickets and a spring outing where counting the days leading up to it is worthwhile. That won't happen. In my eyes, there has only been one world. It's the one where you exist.